Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to sync your iCloud calendar with Skylight Calendar, Skylight currently supports direct iCloud integration, including a two-way option that keeps changes synchronized between both calendars. The setup is a little different from a regular calendar connection because Apple requires two-factor authentication and an app-specific password for Skylight. Once those are prepared, you can select the specific iCloud calendars you want to bring into Skylight and complete the sync. Try these. 1. Open the Skylight app and go to My Skylight, then go Sync Calendars. 2. Select Sync New Calendar, then iCloud, then choose Two-Way Sync. Number 3. Check that two-factor authentication is enabled on your Apple account. 4. Create an app-specific password for Skylight from your Apple account. 5. Enter your Apple account email and the new app-specific password in Skylight. 6. Select the iCloud calendars you need, then tap Sync Calendars to finish.